This video shows how to buy shares of Exail Technologies with a clear example of the steps involved. Exail Technologies is a French engineering company active in marine and autonomous systems, listed on Euronext under the ticker EXA.PA. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker EXA.PA to locate the listing. Make sure you choose the correct Exail Technologies result from the list. On the stock page, you'll find a short company description and the price chart for EXA.PA. Verify the company name and ticker to confirm this is the correct share before continuing. Click Invest or Buy. Select the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If Euronext is closed, the order may be queued or executed when the market reopens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the purchase. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio view. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to follow these steps yourself.